Hey guys, just a quick one today about ginger. You know, some of you have seen this in the store and just wonder like, what is that and what do I do with this? Let me talk to you about ginger. Ginger is so good for your gut. I know you've been hearing a lot of things that you should do for your gut, and some of them are complicated, but I'll tell you this, the things with the biggest effect are the simplest. Always look for the simple. You don't have to buy a pill. You don't have to buy the thing that somebody is selling you that is packaged up in a capsule. You just need to go to the grocery store most of the time, or out to your garden if you have one. Your medicine is there. I promise you. So this is ginger. Ginger is really great for inflammation. Ginger is great for your digestive health. Ginger is great for your gut bacteria. Ginger is great for your mood. It's great for your hormones. Ginger can be taken several ways. Number one, you can throw it into soups. You can chew a little piece of it before you start eating your food. You can cut up ginger, blend it up, make a tea. Ginger tea is so good. Ginger juice is good. Some of you are familiar with ginger beer, which is, you know, processed and a lot of things in there that actually, you know, add to your inflammation. But the idea is it's a pretty tasty root that when you learn how to use it in your food or in your teas, you will really enjoy it. It's fragrant, it's great. My children love it. I have 5 children, ages 1 to 10, and they all love ginger tea. I'm actually about to make some, and I just thought, you know what, let me share a little bit about ginger. It's a great root. I encourage you all to get some ginger. All right, bye.